Those are everywhere. Today, we're lighting more of the weirdest fireworks I could find. Let's check them all out. We have attack mode, which is actually a 410 shot fountain aerial hybrid. It claims it goes 70 feet in the air. We're doing 2 of the Black Cat Close Encounters fountains at once. You guys might have seen them in my last weird fireworks video. They end with a 10-piece ground bloom flower burst. We have the Fiery Meadow Flower, which actually comes in this little box. Let's take it out. This one starts as a normal fountain. It has 2 tubes right here, and then it converts into a spinning wheel. Another fountain that emits ground blooms here, but this one's a little different. Red Swarm actually pops out of the top instead of the bottom. And for the finale, we have Nuclear Spin, which is the first ever 500-gram fountain that spins. First weird firework of the night, we have attack mode. This is a hybrid fountain with 410 shots. Back up a little bit. This one's gonna get pretty crazy in a second here. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's getting up there. We have 2 Close Encounters by Black Cat. These are gonna explode in the ground blooms at the end. We got a volunteer on the other side. Let's do 2 at once. Hit it. There we go, successful. Nice. Perfect synchronization there. Well, that one was coming right towards me. Spinners everywhere. Those are awesome. We have the Fiery Meadow Flower. This one has the spinning pinwheel on it. We're gonna light it over the remains of Close Encounters. It's gonna be cool. I don't see many pinwheels nowadays. Bright red. There goes the spin wheel. Oh, that's pretty cool. Changing colors now. Wow, that was pretty nice. We have Red Swarm. This one's gonna be similar to Close Encounters, but I think even better. It's gonna pop out of the top. Red Swarm. Pretty strong crackle. Ooh, damn. Oh, wow. Those are everywhere. Holy cow. That was the best one yet. For the grand finale, we have the first ever 500-gram spinning fountain. Nuclear spin, here we go. Oh, wow. Right off the bat, really nice color there. Ooh. It's like purple rain on steroids. Oh. Woo. Wow, flying fish effect. Even more weird than I thought. Ooh. Nice willows. Just all the nice effects in one fountain. Wow. Love the flying fish. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Still going. Yeah. Slowly losing speed. Look at that bright green. Damn, that was awesome. First ever 500-gram spinning fountain. Let me know what you guys thought.
If you enjoyed this video of me lighting the top 5 weirdest firework fountains I could find, make sure to subscribe for more content and check out my other video where I compare small to giant fireworks. I'll leave a link in the description and on the screen right now for you to click on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.